Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a spell that is we call a love spell. This is very powerful spell and many people get their love by doing this spell, and they are now very happy and they meet their dream girl, dream boy, and the person that they like the most. So we are going to start this spell. For that you have to take only a piece of paper and a black marker. That's it. No ingredients and no any another thing that you need for this spell. To doing this chant, you have to write some magical words on the paper. With that, your lover will back in your life for permanently, and he or she will not leave you for whole the life, because this is very powerful spell. Whether you are in any country, how far he is or she is living from you, this spell will 100% work you, and it will give you 100% benefit and all the things you will got, and he or she will love you for whole his or her life. So I'm going to start this spell. You have to take a white paper and a marker, the black marker. On the paper you have to write some magical words. I'm going to show you what you have to write and how you can chant this spell to get your love. Okay, so friends, in the starting you have to write some magical words. That is Sabu, S-A-B-U, Aurum, Mathaya, and your lover name, he or she, whatever it is. You have to say Sabu, Aurum, Mathaya, dash dash dash, and on this place you have to write your lover's name, and you have to write this magical words on the another hand of the paper, Lupam Kitam Dula. These magical words, after you doing this chant for 3 days, after that you have to got your love back in your life for permanently, and he or she will contact you by her or himself, and they will not leave you anywhere aspect of you around the world. They will be in your control. But it is like the spell, like you have to do on the Wednesday night or Thursday night. For 2 days you have to do it. Like for example, if you start it on the Wednesday, you can do on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. For example, if you start it on the Thursday, you have to write it or do it on Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Expect of these days this chant will not work, because this chant is made for Wednesday and Thursday only. This is very powerful and you will got your love back for sure. So after that, after you write these magical words, you have to fold this paper like this. Remember and listen these things very carefully, because when you are going to sleep, you have to fold these things like this. You have to fold this paper like this, and after that when you are going to sleep, you have to put this paper under your pillow. Listen to carefully. Fold this paper like this, and you have to put this paper under your pillow, like you will sleep, and if you wake up in morning and you are doing this for continuously for 3 days, your lover will contact you for sure. This spell is very powerful. So if you like my this video, like and subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you.